upbeat music playing. Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. Yes, those little gadgets that promise to keep your floors spotless while you kick back and binge-watch your favorite shows. In the left corner, we have the XIEBro robot vacuum. And in the right corner, we have the Lefant M210 Pro. Let's see which one will suck up the competition. Literally. Cut to a split screen showing both vacuums. Let's get this cleaning showdown started. First up, let's talk about price. XIEBro comes in at $269. A bit steep, but hey, maybe it's got some tricks up its sleeve. On the other hand, Lefant M210 Pro is a cool $209. That's $60 cheaper. Reviewers appreciate that Lefant is more budget-friendly, making it a popular choice for those looking to save some cash. So if you're looking to save some dough, Lefant takes the lead here. Now, let's talk about what these bad boys can actually do. XIEBro is a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop combo. It's like the Swiss Army knife of cleaning gadgets. Dust, paper scraps, pet hair, you name it, XIEBro can tackle it. Plus, it's got a 250 milliliters dust box and a 200 milliliters water tank. Some reviewers even call it their mini cleaning crew. Lefant, on the other hand, has 4 cleaning modes: automatic, planning, fixed point, and edge. It's like a strategic cleaning ninja, but no mopping here. So if you've got sticky floors, you might want to look elsewhere. However, pet owners rave about Lefant's unique suction mouth that avoids tangled roller brushes. All right, tech enthusiasts, this one's for you. XIEBro boasts an app and remote intelligent control. You can even boss it around using Google Assistant. Just imagine, hey Google, clean my floors, and voila, XIEBro is on it like a dutiful servant. Reviewers love the ease of app setup and remote control, making it a favorite for tech-savvy users. Lefant isn't slacking in the tech department either. It connects faster with its Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi setup and can be controlled via an app or Alexa. So if you're in the Amazon Alexa camp, Lefant's got your back. Both vacuums stick to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi though. Number 5G here, folks. Let's talk design. XIEBro's got a slim 2.89 inches profile, perfect for those hard-to-reach spots. It's like a ninja, stealthily cleaning under your furniture. Plus, it can climb up to 15 degrees. Not quite Spider-Man, but close. Reviewers appreciate its slim design and efficiency in navigating tight spaces. Lefant is no slouch either, with a 2.99 inches height and an 11 inches diameter. It's like a tiny Roomba on a diet. It can easily slip under beds, sofas, and tight corners. Plus, it's got Free Move 3.0 technology, making it an obstacle-avoiding champ. Think of it as the parkour expert of robot vacuums. Reviewers love its ability to avoid obstacles and clean efficiently. Lastly, let's talk battery life. XIEBro can run up to 100 minutes on quiet mode, 80 minutes on standard, and 60 minutes on max. Plus, it automatically recharges when it's running low. It's like a marathon runner that knows when to take a break. Some reviewers, however, noted concerns about battery longevity over time. Lefant doesn't give us specific numbers, but it's designed for efficiency. With its smart path planning, it might just clean faster and more effectively, saving battery life in the process. Reviewers appreciate its efficient cleaning paths and decent battery life. So it's a bit of a mystery, but hey, sometimes life needs a little suspense, right? When it comes to XIEBro, reviewers appreciate its strong suction power. However, some have pointed out issues with the mop leaking and occasional navigation problems. On the other hand, Lefant M210 Pro has been praised for its efficient pet hair cleaning, user-friendly design, and effective obstacle avoidance. Some users, however, have noted that it struggles with carpet cleaning and lacks reusable map saving. So there you have it, smart shoppers. XIEBro with its mopping capabilities and high-tech features versus Lefant with its budget-friendly price and smart design. Which one wins? That's up to you. Let us know in the comments which robot vacuum you'd invite to your cleaning party. Cut to holding both vacuums. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy shopping and may your floors always be spotless. Upbeat music fading out. And remember, friends don't let friends buy bad vacuums. See you next time. Product links are in the description.